So where are we headed?
So we're headed to a family friend of mine. Her name is Lyndsay.
Okay, great name.
Yes. So she is wanting to list her home. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. She previously listed it at $450. It definitely needs updates. And it was on the market for about 16 days.
Oh, so not long.
And then she took it off the market because her dad had a stroke. Yeah, so she knows that I work with you guys, and so she called me up and wanted to just talk and see if you guys would be interested in coming in and just looking at it at least to get an idea. Yeah. It's in Hilton Lake neighborhood.
Hilton Lake is one of Everett's most sought-after neighborhoods, sitting on 2 beautiful lakes. It's the perfect retreat for somebody looking to get away from the hustle and bustle of the city life. Homes in this area don't come on the market often, so they're considered premium lots. And since our design assistant, Stephanie, knows the homeowner so well, we decided that she should help us out on this project. Okay, let's go meet her.
Check it out.
Hi there.
Hi.
Come on in.
Hi, I'm Leslie.
Oh, I'm Lyndsay.
Nice to meet you.
This is a great place.
Wow, oh my gosh, this lighting is amazing. Look at these windows.
Yeah. Tell us kind of what's going on.
Well, I had it listed about 16 days, and then my dad had a stroke. He's 94 years old, so I've been focusing my time on him.
Of course.
So, and this house is way too big for me.
How long have you been here?
I've been here for 19 years.
Wow.
Everything is the same as when I moved in 19 years ago.
So what I would love to see is that when a buyer walks in, they immediately notice these high ceilings, and when their eye goes up, they don't then go, ew.
This place has popcorn ceilings.
Yeah, totally.
So the popcorn ceilings are gone. Then once
Good.
they see that, they also can be drawn to the landscape that you've already created out there that's coming in through the windows.
Yes, yeah.
So dining, you carried the wallpaper throughout.
Yeah.
I love
the theme.
Consistency. Yeah.
A lot of storage.
Tons of storage.
lot of storage.
Wow. Oh my gosh, Leslie, there's wallpaper up here. I've never.
It matches the...
It matches, yes.
The valance.
Yes.
The wallpaper matches
The valance.
Because of the location of the home and its size, our buyer here is going to be that established, more mature buyer.
This is definitely an area that I could see would stop a buyer.
Yeah. Oh, I love the skylights. It makes it
Natural
so
light.
bright. But also the popcorn. It's crazy, they put popcorn everywhere.
And this is the master bedroom.
Wow. With the lighting, I feel like we could add some style because all the lights are just a little dated.
Okay, would you like to show us your bathroom?
Sure, come on in here.
In here would be one of those spots where we'd want to be very strategic about doing anything that we could to bring more excitement to this space. Because, you know, master bathrooms are one of the rooms where buyers are really paying close attention.
Lyndsay had to go back to Seattle to care for her father. So we decided to go visit a home that was recently sold in the Hilton Lake area.
This is really nice. So nice light fixture statements, a nice open concept.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
It is
what they
open.
did was they actually took out a wall here and here and then really focused on the kitchen.
Yeah.
In Lyndsay's living room and dining room, we're gonna open up that wall that separates the kitchen and create a modern concept design. We also want to remove all of the popcorn on the ceilings, take down the old dated wallpaper, and give the space a fresh coat of paint. We'd also like to highlight those big, beautiful windows and replace all of the old flooring throughout the home. All right, buyers in this price point that have already purchased, what are they expecting? And this sold so fast, 4 days. In Lyndsay's kitchen, we'll remove the wall separating the dining room, making the room feel bigger. We'll also remove all of the soffits and replace all of the cabinets and countertops with high quality materials.
And then master. Everything in this house, they have touched and it's fresh and clean. And I think that's important.
In the master bedroom, we want to remove the old popcorn ceilings and paint one of the walls a cool, modern accent color. We'd also like to remove and replace all of the old carpeting and light fixtures. In the master bath, I'd love to give the room a fresh coat of paint, replace that old vanity with a beautiful double vanity, and update the mirrors and light fixtures.
So one of the things that we look at is, what is the ceiling? You can only sell for how high this neighborhood warrants. You were at $450. The average is a $570 list price. Lyndsay and I crunched the numbers. We believe that we could invest of our own money about $50,000 into the home. That would include removing all of the dated popcorn ceiling throughout the house, remodeling the kitchen to give it a higher end feel, updating the living room and the dining room, giving your master bedroom a refresh, remodeling your master bathroom, and then staging throughout the home. And then we could sell right about $575.
Oh, wow.
Because you have a premium lot here.
Okay.
So if we pay ourselves back that investment, that still leaves $75,000 that we can split 50-50 at the end.
Our team has gotten straight to work tearing out all of the dated fixtures in Lyndsay's house.
Yes!
In the kitchen, all the cabinets and countertops are being removed, and we will replace them with all new custom cabinets perfect for the high-end buyer we're marketing to. We're also removing the wall that separates the kitchen from the dining room, which will give the whole first floor a large open concept feel.
All right!
And while demo continues for the rest of the house, we're gonna go take a look at some countertops for the kitchen.
So this is like the gold mine. Our budget's $50,000 for the renovations. We have allocated $25,000 of that towards the kitchen.
The countertop is going to be a big deal to me because it's going to be a major catcher
point. Okay.
So my overall vision for this house is to go a little more industrial.
To bring a little of that Seattle vibe to the suburbs, I really think it's going to attract that higher end buyer that we're going after.
So I think we've got the room in this house to play with. We've got high ceilings, we've got awesome windows in the front, and we're gonna have an open kitchen. I want to make a statement. I want it to be really, really cool. This is really pretty. This is a quartz, but it's a little too black, and I don't like the speckles.
So do you think that this would work, or is this too light?
I like something a little darker that contrasts. Actually, I love this.
That has tons of movement.
Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous.
Gray quartz.
I love this. This countertop was a huge win.
Yeah.
It will be a statement in this house.
Absolutely.
So I will probably build the kitchen around it. I'm thinking white cabinets, and then I want to do like a flat black tile backsplash. This is gorgeous.
Let's go build a kitchen.
Hey!
This is one of our biggest projects in a while. All of the popcorn ceiling has been scraped off, the wallpaper is gone, and after finding that gorgeous gray quartz countertop for the kitchen, I decided to go with a slightly lighter slate gray floor tile that I think will really complement the countertops and give the space an industrial feel. The team has been on fire at Lyndsay's house. The trim has been painted a jet black, and the walls have a fresh coat of clean white paint, giving the house a chic industrial look. The modern white cabinets have also been installed, and the dreamy gray countertop we picked is in. I think with the upscale backsplash I have planned, buyers aren't gonna be able to resist this kitchen.
Sweet.
Hey, Jeff. Oh, those countertops.
Oh, those are gorgeous.
So this is beautiful.
Yeah.
It's actually a natural stone. So this is probably some of the most expensive backsplash that we've picked.
Oh, hands down.
With that said,
Yeah. We're going around the window, right?
that's what I'm thinking.
Gorgeous.
It's gonna look gorgeous.
Yeah.
And this kitchen, this price point, this buyer warrants
Absolutely.
a higher end product.
Yeah, we're using nice products in this house for sure.
Oh my gosh, this house is going to be amazing.
Oh, it's gonna be sick. Is that still a word? I don't know.
Fire. With the last of the painting done, it's time for my favorite part of the process, staging. In this house, we really tried to bring that industrial Seattle vibe into the home. And I really think buyers at this higher price point are going to respond to that.
Lyndsay likes to layer rugs. You know what you're doing? I think we can handle it.
I'll fix it when you guys are finished.
Okay, so in here, when setting the table, I want to absolutely invoke an emotion of entertaining, and you do that by setting a beautiful tablescape.
Lyndsay has a lot on her plate with taking care of her sick father. So we really want to help her out and help her get top dollar for her house. I know it'll be a huge relief for her to finally sell this house and be able to focus on taking care of her family.
Hi! Me first.
Hey.
Are you nervous?
Yes, I want to see what you did.
Okay.
I'm excited for you to see it. Oh my God.
Okay. Oh. Wow. Oh. Is this the same place?
It is.
Oh my, oh, I don't know where to look first. Oh, wow. 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 Wow.
I love you!
This gets the top that I wanted.
Yay!
Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh, and look at the windows.
What do you think of black?
Oh, I absolutely love it.
Yay!
I had that icky little trim.
Yes. Yes, icky little trim's gone. We're hoping that this would be an area where a new buyer would come in and feel like they would absolutely utilize this.
It's wow.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
This tile floor is just to die for.
Yes. This is a usable dining room.
Oh my, wow. This is no longer a file room.
No. I think pulling the tile through in the dining into the kitchen makes it feel larger, as well as makes it feel like it's all one big room together.
I love it.
New countertops. This is a stone tile backsplash. We really wanted to give something unique and very trendy and stylish for this neighborhood in particular. So pushing the envelope with that contemporary industrial feel was important to us.
I love everything. Everything.
Can you now picture a buyer walking in and just,
Loving this.
yeah, just saying, I have to have this.
Yes. I wish you would have come 20 years ago.
I mean, okay, the master.
Amazing. Absolutely amazing. This room looks huge.
We did carpet, light fixture, all new paint, window treatment.
And an accent wall.
Yes.
Oh, and it's specially painted.
Yes. It's called an ombre. So it's darker to lighter.
Oh, look at the floor. Oh, and a double sink. Oh,
Yes.
look how large.